In this video, we will see code implementation.
So now let's quickly check what will the code implementation of it. It will be exactly similar what we have done. Okay. So I will take one pointer that is previous equals to null. Okay. And then current equals to head. Then I will take one after equals to head. Okay. So I have created three spaces, three variables only. Okay. Not an extra space. While my current, it's not equals to null. What I will do, I will simply move it. So how I will move it, I will say one after equals to current dot next. Okay. And so basically I'm storing in the after before my moving current, then current dot next equals to previous, and then previous equals to current, and then current equals to after. And yeah, this will be your simple code. And after this, you will simply return previous. This will be your basic code of reversing a linked list, right? Simply traversing. So in the next video, we will check out how we can dry run it. Okay. So in the dry run, you will get a complete clarity how this simple code is working, right? How this is working in just a 4 lines. So we'll see it in the next video.